Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Professor T-Rex, and in this video I'm going to share with you some important information to note regarding crypto prophecies gameplay. Okay, so let's start. Okay, sa mga nag-request ng crypto prophecies, ito na po, gagawa na natin siya ng review. And according to them, they are the world's cutest price prediction trading game. Ayan. Okay, sa mga magagaling dyan sa Candlesticks reading, this game is really for you. Magagamit po talaga yung knowledge mo and the time that you've spent studying the Candlesticks. But for those who are not very familiar with Candlesticks reading and you want to play this game, this is your chance. This is the best time for you to study Candlesticks, for you to enjoy this game. Alright, so let's start. So ito yung overview ng game. Your crypto profits are your secret weapon. Summon them. Okay, you nurture them and use their magic to overthrow opponents in the fabled battle arena. Build your empire. Build your empire of wealth and forge your very own crypto prophecy. You can also forge your own crypto prophecy. Ano yung forge? You can create your own later in the game. Ayan. So this is the background of their play to earn na feature. So play more, you collect more, and earn more. So when you say play more, you have a battle for crypto and then wager your tokens and go head to head with other players for a fast-paced magical showdown where the winner makes all the profit. Okay, when you say or wager, you put a sum of money, ayan, or i-bet mo yun or i-risk mo yung amount of money mo in the game. So maglalabas ka ng pera during the game. So para rin siyang para siyang gambling din, or yeah, it's really gambling. And then NFT collectibles, ayan, profits are rare collectibles that you can customize with magical items to make them even more powerful and rewarding. Later, I will discuss with you the different items that you can collect that would also help you win in these battles. Okay, and then win massive rewards. So in the crypto world, riches come from many angles and your profit gives you the chance to earn daily, weekly, and monthly rewards. Ayan. So meron din siyang rewards, of course, may mga incentives yung players. Okay, so that's it. And then guys, before we proceed, yung gagamitin niyo as wager is a TCP token. So magkano yung TCP token? So nasa 12 pesos siya as of now. Ayan. So you can buy your own TCP token ngayon pa lang na mura pa siya, so that with the times that you play the crypto prophecy na game, you already have an amount of TCP token to wage during the battle. Alright? So balik tayo. So this is a magical showdown, So take heed of the profits and enter the fabled battle arena. So choose your wager, ayan, and go head-to-head into zero-sum price prediction trading game. Learn trading candlestick patterns and use your profits to predict how each 10-second candle will close to beat your opponents. Diba sa trading, we have 1 minute, we have 3 minutes. So in this game, you have 10 seconds. Okay? And you have to predict what's gonna happen. The price will the price go down or will the price go up? Okay, so yan lang. And then, this is how to play. First, summon your prophet. Ayan, use magic orbs to summon your prophet, then prepare them for battle by equipping them with powerful weapons. Ayan, So, pwede mo na siyang i-equip, may cape, may staff, wand, and pets. Ayan, depende sa'yo. And then, place your wager. So, to enter the arena, one must first place their wager in token. So, TCP token yung gagamitin natin before being matched with a worthy opponent to battle. And then, foresee the candles. Ito na yung price prediction or candle prediction rather. So, go head-to-head for real-time price prediction. Yeah, tama nga. And then, foresee the candles. So, ito na yung price prediction, Go head-to-head for real-time price predicting action against the clock. Faster prediction, score more points. So, kailangan mabilis din dito, This is also a test of speed. And then, use your magic spells. So, this is what I also like. Strategically, use your prophet's magic spells to confuse your opponent and gain the tactical advantage. The effect of magic spells, they can also hide the chart, And then completely hindi siya makikita ng opponent mo. and that would confuse the opponent, making the opponent come up with a wrong prediction, diba? So mananalo ka. And then create your prophecy. Ayan, crush your opponent in the battle arena to win the total wager and begin creating your very own crypto prophecy. Ayan, so ito yung parang best part ko, yung gagawa ka na ng own crypto prophecy. Okay, so punta naman tayo sa kanilang yan, no? NFT pre-sale coming soon. Yan, magkakaroon sila. You can sign up na, no, sa kanilang pre-sale na coming soon pa. So sign up for free tokens. So you can claim your free tokens once the game is launched. Okay, so ako nag-sign up na ako. So ito ang kanilang roadmap, the journey ahead. Ayan, build beta, NFT pre-sale, magkakaroon sila ng pre-sale. Hindi pa siya nangyayari, global launch, no? Siguro sa last quarter ito ng 2021, and then daily prizes, and then they will have also their staking program, and then by 2022 magkakaroon na ng battles. So there are so many things to really expect, to really look forward by 2022, guys. So this is the best time for preparation. And then ayan, this is their investors and partners. And if you want to be updated regarding this game, you can join their Telegram, their Discord, follow them sa Twitter. They also have a Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and also they have their Medium. I like it when a game has a Medium kasi doon ako na-update. Here, okay, let's talk about this article now. What are the profit tiers and why do they matter? Ayan. So, meron siyang iba't ibang levels, no, yung ating profits. So we have common, uncommon, rare, epic, legendary, and founder. So yun yung iba't ibang levels ng crypto profits natin. How do you move up? Paano ba tayo nag-level up? So evolving your crypto profit has a huge impact on your success, no, in the crypto battle arena. As your crypto profit ascends through the tiers, it will be able to perform more powerful spells, hold more items, ayan, no? Yun yung perks which benefit you during battle and will give you a greater chance of winning prizes in our daily prize draws. So magkakaroon sila ng prize draws. Later, no, i-mention natin yan. So ito yung mga items na makukuha natin. So magic staffs are the primary weapon for your crypto profits, no? And these items are available to use once you have summoned an uncommon prophet. Ayan. There is a note here, no? You have to check anong race ka kasi there are different races in this game. So meron tayong Satoshians wherein they can only wield fire magic. Ethereans can only use nature magic. Dismanians can only use arcane. Reptilians can only wield the magic of telekinesis using their staff. So, yun, no? Kailangan i-match mo rin kung ano lang yung staff na pwede sa kanila. Depende kung anong race sila. And in the capes naman, when your profit ascends to the rare tier, the second item slot opens and your profit will have access to both the staff and the cape. So, itong cape, guys, ay para siyang, isa siyang protective gear. No? Para siyang armor, ganun. Na it will of course, defend you from the attack of your opponent. And then wands are your secondary weapon, no, aside from your staff. So itong wands natin, magagamit natin siya to confuse our opponents when it comes to predicting the candles in the chart. And then, finally, we have the pets. Ayan, this is our guardian. It is a companion which only ever follows the most legendary. So, kailangan legendary crypto profit ka na, no? Pets will do whatever they can to ensure their master crypto profit is protected from danger. So defensive sila and attacking na help, no, whenever you play the battle. So dalawa yung kanyang purpose. O, diba? Imagine having your own pet. And then guys, the best thing about this is you will also get tickets for the draw, no? And then you will get rewards afterwards. Ayan. So, kung common ka pa lang na crypto profit, so you will get 1:1 na ticket. So, every battle, you get 1 ticket. Kapag uncommon ka na, you get 2 tickets for every 1 battle. For rare, 1:4. For epic, 1:8. For legendary, 1:16. And for founders, ayan, 1:32. O, diba? The more tickets you have, the more chances of winning the draw. Ayan, no? Another important thing to know is the game mechanics of the crypto prophecies. Ayan, no? So, entering the battle arena, ito yung mukha ng kanilang arena. Ayan, no? Tapos may chart sa gitna. And then two players at the sides. Ayan. Of course, you have to summon your prophet. Ayan, go to battle arena and then ilagay mo yung iyong wager, a sum of money at this TCP token. Ayan. So, how to win, the rules of engagements, and how to win. Contests in the battle arena are decided on predicting where trading candlesticks will close, whether up or down. So yan lang yung ipipredicting nyo, up ba siya or down. So by recognizing trading candlestick patterns, players can put their cryptocurrency and trading knowledge to the test. So points are awarded or lost. So yung mangyayari dito guys, as the game starts, meron kayong tigwa 100 points ng opponent at ikaw, no? The value of these points depends no on how you play the game. Okay, so for example, di ba 10 seconds yung every candle doon. And then, by 8 seconds, after 8 seconds, na-predict mo siya at tama yung prediction mo. So, magkakaroon ka ng additional 80 points. Pero kung mali, tapos 8 seconds yung ginugol mo na oras para i-predict yun, tapos mali yung prediction mo, magkakaroon ka ng minus 80 points. So, every second is equivalent to 10 points. Alright? Yung maganda naman dito, if you have items in the battle, malaki yung advantage niya. So, ano yung gamit ng mga items na yon? Using staffs, wands, capes, and pets, players can cast spells that can block their opponent from making a prediction, no? Hide the candlesticks from sight completely or twist their perception of the candlesticks. So, yan yung advantage. You can make the opponent confused, no, during the battle. Of course, making you have the opportunity to win. And then, ayan, ito yung mangyayari no, kapag nag-cast ka ng spell, ayan, mabablock yung chart and then hindi na mapipredict ng opponent. And then you have to just click up and down kung ano yung prediction mo, up kaya yung candle or magda-down yung candle. Okay, so let's talk about wagers and winnings. Of course, if you're the winner, you will get all the wagers. And then, there will be 3% na kingdom fee. So, 3% kukunin from your wager and then 3% kukunin from your opponent's wager. So, for example, meron kang 100 TCP tokens, no? Tapos 100 din doon sa kabila. So, 3% noon kukunin, 3% sa iyo. So, 6% makukuhang token no, as a kingdom fee. So, overall, yung makukuha mo na lang will be 194 tokens. So, overall, I like the concept of the game. It just really requires you to be knowledgeable in candlesticks. Though it's gonna be challenging, pero magiging ano din natin siya magiging edge natin, no, if we are good in candlesticks reading. Magiging edge natin siya when it comes to trading sa spot or when it comes to trading sa futures. Ayan. So, hindi lang dito sa game na to. At least magiging driving force natin itong game na to really study the candlestick patterns. Ayan. So, guys, if you want to also learn something from their white paper, they have their white paper here. Ayan, they have the story, the crypto profits, the gameplay, kingdom fee, and so on. So if you're interested to read all of these, I really suggest that you read everything because we don't have enough time to cover everything in this video. So thank you so much guys for watching my video and I hope that this very short review has been very informative to you. Thank you so much and if you are new to my channel, please click like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks and have a great day. Bye!